Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play against the knight. The knight is a tricky piece, moving in an L shape, 2 squares in one direction and then 1 square perpendicularly. This unique movement allows it to jump over other pieces. Knights thrive in closed positions where they can navigate obstacles, but they are less effective on the board's edges. A key strategy is to control the center, as a knight in the center can control up to 8 squares, significantly more than the 2 squares it controls in a corner. To effectively play against a knight, you need to restrict its movement. Use your pawns to control key squares that a knight might want to occupy, limiting its options. If a knight becomes too active, attack it with a pawn or a less valuable piece to force it to move or be exchanged. Be careful not to create strong outposts, which are squares safe from pawn attacks, where an enemy knight can become very powerful and difficult to dislodge. Knowing when to exchange knights is crucial. If your opponent's knight is well placed and causing problems, exchanging it for one of your pieces can be a good idea. However, if your knight is controlling important central squares or creating threats, you should generally try to keep it. Knights are less effective in open positions, so opening up the board with pawn breaks can reduce their influence and favor your long-range pieces like bishops and rooks. Always develop your pieces quickly to challenge the enemy knight and control the center. Be vigilant for knight forks, a common tactic where a knight attacks 2 or more of your pieces simultaneously, often leading to material loss. Keeping your valuable pieces on opposite-colored squares can help prevent these forks. Learning to anticipate knight maneuvers will significantly improve your defense. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for the link and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.